Hello. Guy Fieri rightly said, cooking with kids is not just about ingredients, recipes, and cooking. It is about harnessing imagination, empowerment, and creativity. Right. The topic for today is chefs at work. We at Orchid believe that this can be introduced in schools at a very early age, from fireless cooking to non fireless cooking. Students have it in their curriculum from grade 1 to grade 5. Our little chefs enjoy and get to experience the process beginning with planning, shopping, chopping, and plating the same. Before choosing the dish for any grade, teachers keep in mind the availability of simple ingredients, culture, and tradition. All teachers begin with a discussion with the kids on discussing the different aspects of activity with students. For example, math would involve a budget and estimation of the ingredients required for that particular dish. In languages, the name of the ingredients in different languages along with process writing. Social science or science would involve the origin of the dish, the ingredients, the nutritive value of the dish, safety rules, and hygiene. Chefs at Work is all about skills which involve planning, discussing, observing, comparing, negotiating, teamwork, sequencing, and the list it goes on. A simple menu can hone so many skills. It exposes the students to sensorial learning too. Don't miss the much needed fine motor skill development. Example, kneading the dough, chopping, and sorting. These students are citizens of tomorrow who will definitely be vigilant while buying things and check the expiry date for packaged products. How to use and how much to use. Na kam, na zyada. Parents who volunteer to assist students and teachers make this activity fun-filled and memorable. And under the supervision of teachers and parent volunteers, the Chefs at Work in Orchid also ensures and encourages healthy eating habits. To sum up, I would like to say it is just like let's experiment along with creativity, adding up to a language of its own, and students enthusiastically feel and say, yes, we made it. Don't forget, they add twist to the original recipe. Thank you.